This is the Goodstay dashboard on a busy morning. Today's arrivals and pickups are front and center, so the whole day is laid out the moment you log in. Luna the Husky is arriving today. Click her name in the check-in list and you land straight on her reservation. Everything you need is on one page. Her dates, the run she's staying in, current vaccinations, and the notes you took at booking. When her owner walks through the door, it's one click on check-in. Luna's status flips to checked in, run 1 is marked occupied, and the arrival time is stamped into the activity log automatically. Now for a pickup. Back on the dashboard, Cooper is going home today, so let's open his reservation from the checkout list. Click Checkout and Invoice, and Goodstay builds the whole bill before Cooper is even out the door. 3 nights of boarding are already itemized at the run's nightly rate. No calculator, no sticky notes. Did he get extra walks during his stay? Tick the box and they're added to the bill instantly. The invoice summary keeps a running total on the right, so you can tell the owner the exact amount at pickup. One more click on complete checkout and Cooper is checked out, his run freed up, and the invoice is ready to go. The finished invoice is saved to the owner's account. Print it, email it, or take payment on the spot. And that's a full day of arrivals and pickups, handled in a couple of clicks. More tutorials in the playlist. See you in the next one.